What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing a little bit of a different installation. Now, I get a lot of compliments of the Mojito green on my Jeep. Some people, when they saw my dash, said it's way too Christmassy. Red and green don't go well together, even after I explained that all of the Rubicon decals still have red on them, as well as the tow hooks and the suspension. But now that it's December and we're getting closer to Christmas, look who's laughing now. So I said it's going to be a little bit of a different installation today. We're going to make the Mojito Rubicon a little bit more festive for the holidays, especially Christmas time with the red and green. A lot of the Jeeps during the holidays, you'll see on the back here, they usually put a wreath around the back spare tire here, some lights on there as well. Just a simple way to celebrate. And I've seen people that have stingers on the front and they'll put either a wreath or something along those lines to kind of bring up the holiday spirit. When you're driving around, people see it and, you know, they get a little kick out of it. And, you know, it's kind of a Jeep thing to decorate your Jeep during the holidays. And the wreaths that are on the back and on the front, tow hooks and bows and all that kind of stuff, that's nice and all, but we're gonna take it one step further, because I bought an entire Christmas tree to mount on my roof. So not only are we going to mount this tree to the top of my Jeep, but we're also going to string lights around it and try and run it down to the 3-prong outlet in the rear. That way when you see my Jeep either rolling down the street or rolling down the highway, the lights will be on and everybody can get a kick out of it. So when I bought the tree, I also bought some of these green tow straps to hold it down really well. I didn't have any like twine or anything to tie it down, so we're just going to use 2 of these tow straps and try and figure out a way to mount this on there without it trying to slide around and all that kind of stuff, because I don't have a roof rack just yet. So yeah, this will be fairly interesting. Now, to put in perspective how big this tree is, I'm 5'11". You can see it's almost a foot taller than I am, so it's somewhere near 7 foot. But right now it's all bundled up, so it's pretty tight. Once I cut the twine that's holding this all together, it's gonna kind of spread out and it'll look like a real Christmas tree. And it better look like a real Christmas tree, because this is actually like, smells like pine, because I cut it down yesterday. I mean, you can see all the needles that are already, you know, falling off on the ground. So it is raining outside, but I do have my concerns about mounting this tree on my roof in the garage, because I'm not sure that I'll have all the clearance that I need. So I'm probably gonna decorate this tree inside the garage and then mount it outside the garage, because I think we're gonna have some real clearance issues. Well, look who decided to show up and help me out.
Yeah, what's up, guys? This is a interesting project. I'm not against it, because why not? And yeah, I'll just make it happen, because ideally I wish we could make it stand up, but that might be very...
It's
probably worse than driving a toaster already, so... Yeah, I mean, I guess this is the most efficient way to do so. Just spin her on. Oh my gosh, look at this mess.
Yeah. Alright, so we're about to plug it in, make sure all the lights work, even though we kind of tested them before, so...
Oh, walking like a talking over here.
You got it? Alright. Alright, so there we go.
Ooh, that looks like trash at the bottom.
Yeah, we have to fix that. But all the other
does not look bad. At the bottom does look horrible.
Yep. We're either gonna have to add more lights or trim those branches off. You think that's lit enough?
Oh, it's lit.
Yeah, I think maybe one more strand. A couple extra lights never hurt. I think what we're gonna do next, so we're gonna put that in the center of that. So that way, because I'm not sure if these are gonna scratch it or not. So just to be safe, we're gonna put that blanket down, and then we'll run the wiring underneath that through the hardtop. Chill.
Oh, I got wet. Oh.
Hey.
Heck yeah. Alright, you gotta run this inside now.
Yeah.
Gotta get that in there. I wish you had LEDs, it'd be a lot brighter.
I know, I like the LEDs a lot better, but that's all we had.
Plug it in. Try it. Oh no, it works.
Yeah. Alright. Ryan and I both said we wish we had the LEDs because they're a little bit brighter, but this actually turned out pretty awesome. So there it is, the full Christmas tree on top of the Jeep, and it spans pretty much the entire length of the roof. I set a blanket on top so that way none of the needles or branches are going to be scratching it. We're just going to have to tie it down with some tow straps, and yeah, so if you guys want to know how I ran this wire, I literally just ran it through underneath here in the driver's hardtop. There's a little bit of a gap anyway in the weather stripping, and then here's my extension cord. Ran it all the way to the 3-prong outlet in the rear, which is actually kind of cool because the tree runs off of accessory now. So anytime the accessory is on or the Jeep is actually on, the lights will be on. If you shut the Jeep off and say like lock it and walk away, the lights will be off. Yeah, so let's go ahead and strap that down before we do anything else. Got the nice green tow straps here. Ryan's hooking up the ratchet strap and we're gonna strap it together. Just like that, that is how you mount a working Christmas tree to the top of your Wrangler. Oh man. Honestly, from like pretty close, it looks like a bush. But when you get further away, it's actually, you can see the shape of the tree. And right on cue, Hallie just got home. So what do you think?
Oh my goodness. It is certainly festive. I mean, 'tis the season, right?
Yeah. You know we're driving this to Cleveland on the highway, right?
I guess.
2 hours on the highway, heading up north to see some family this weekend. So yeah, we strapped it down pretty good though, so I think it's all right.
Holy sweeping the garage.
I think it's fine. I think we'll be all right. They'll eventually find their way outside. Ollie, do you like the Christmas tree? He's like, I could care less. Where's mom?
That's a good boy.
So yeah, anyways, now that I'm looking at it, it's actually a little bit crooked. You know, it's all kind of off center here, but you know, it's nothing we can't fix, you know, relatively fast a little bit later on. But I think it looks absolutely awesome. It's totally different than everybody that does the you know, the wreath on the back. I might add one though, just because it does look a little kind of dull in the back area here. Or I might run like some lights down the this back pillar here on the inside, and that way they can kind of shine through. And right on cue, it started to rain. So good thing we got this project out of the way, and on to the next project, cleanup. All right guys, that's gonna be it for today. I wanna shout out to Ryan for helping me out here a little bit, getting that tree up there and strapping it down. So thank you, Ryan. If you guys have not checked out his channel, he's got a bigger, greener truck than you know, my green Jeep here, and that his build is about to get absolutely insane. So I'll put a link to his channel below, make sure you go and check it out. I know it's a little bit of a different video for you guys today, just a little bit more fun, less of a serious install or some kind of parts or something like that, but I just wanted to get everybody in the holiday spirit. Let me know in the comments below if this is something you guys, like to see more often, more vlog style videos, or you just want me to stick with the aftermarket parts. I do have some wheels on order, finally, but they're not gonna be here for another month. So the good news is that we do have some big parts coming, as well as a big announcement when those wheels come in. I do wanna talk to you guys a little bit about that later. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you're running on your Jeep, a wreath, if you're gonna do a full Christmas tree, what other kind of lights you have all the way around, anything like that. I actually saw a Jeep earlier this week on Instagram that had a full-fledged blow-up snowman on top of it, but I'm not sure if he was driving like that. I'm sure it was just parked for like a show or something. And if you haven't already, please get down there, hit that subscribe button. We are giving away a blackout, this blackout JK blackout grill. So for all of you that have a JK, this one is for you, or anybody that has a friend or buddy that has a JK that would love to have this as a Christmas present. My goal is to hit 5,000 before Christmas so I can give this away to somebody as like an early Christmas gift for them. So be sure to get down there, hit subscribe, get me to 5,000. We'll give away the grill, make somebody's Christmas a little bit brighter. And also feel free to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, all the other social media outlets. I'll be posting a lot more pictures of the Jeep, and you also get a little bit of a sneak peek of things that are to come. Thank you guys again for sticking around for this video. Again, I know it's a little bit different. Thank you all for the support, and we'll catch you in the next one.